Hey, what's up guys? Tori here of Love Tori Beauty. Super excited because I'm going to be trying all new products today. I am trying the curl cream and hair mask from Myli Curls, and I'm also trying the Girls with Curls gel from Dippity-do. So let's get right into it. Myli Curls is a local small-owned business and I'm super excited to be supporting it. It came with this really neat applicator and instructions for product use. So I'm going to be starting out with the hair mask. It's all natural. Just want to read to you some of the ingredients in that mask. It contains agave nectar, honey, coconut oil, coconut milk, aloe vera juice, cinnamon, and vanilla scent. So as you can imagine, it smells amazing. It smells very fresh, very natural. And so the instructions are to basically divide your hair into 4 sections and then apply the mask with the applicator. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm just gonna kind of warm it up. Oh, I'm not even using the whisk like I'm supposed to. But I'm just gonna start this on the ends and mid-lengths. I can definitely smell the coconut oil. And I'm gonna just detangle my hair a little bit. Okay, this is what I was supposed to do. And then just kind of take it up. Okay, first impressions, it feels very hydrated, smells good. I like it. Okay, now we're gonna put it on properly. I'm concentrating on the middle to the ends because that's where it's most dry and that's where she also recommends that you use it. Use my pattern brush to make sure it's evenly in my hair. Now Myli recommends you leave this mask on for 30 to 45 minutes, so that's what we're going to do once we finish applying. Okay, now that we've got the mask in, I'm going to put a cap on and I'm going to sit under the dryer for 30 minutes and really let this penetrate. So we'll see you in 30 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back. I have rinsed out the mask. I did use the MoKnows hair curl hydrator shampoo. I love the Mo's line. I use that to wash out the mask, and as you can see, my hair looks very hydrated, moisturized. I'm really excited about how the mask worked for me, so definitely would recommend that. Before I try out the curl cream and the curl gel, I'm going to go in with the MoKnows hair curl primer, and this just acts as a great detangler and primer for the other products. And you can purchase the Mo's line at Sally Beauty, and you can purchase Myli Curls on her website, which I will link in the description box. I love how the Mo's product detangles. I'm just making sure I get it all the way throughout my hair. And then before I apply the curl cream, we're actually going to section the hair again. So I'm going to put it in 4 sections again. So let me just tell you a little bit about the curl cream, also all natural. It contains shea butter, coconut oil, aloe vera, extra virgin olive oil, lavender, and peppermint oil. So I really can't wait to smell this one. The peppermint and lavender are such a nice touch. I love those ingredients in products of any kind. Oh, it's very smooth. I don't know if you can see this, but it's very, very smooth. I like. So I'm just gonna go in with a little. I've never used this product, so I'm not quite sure. I don't want it to be too heavy on my hair. So I'm just going in on the mid-length to ends with the curl cream. I'm gonna brush it out. Okay. So we're gonna do the next section. Oh, this stuff smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this. It's a subtle hint of that peppermint and lavender oil. It's so refreshing. So I'm gonna take another portion of it, about that much. And I'm going to rake it in again, just concentrating on my mid-length all the way to the ends. Of course, you could take it up higher, just depends on your hair. And again, I'm using my pattern brush. Oh, love this brush. How it melts. Just melts in your hands. Amazing. You can always apply more than I did. I just want to see how it's going to work on my hair for this first time, so I'm going a little lighter with it than maybe I would with a product that I knew better. Now I'm going in. I have seen this so much. I follow Mains with Mel, and she swears by this gel, as well as a number of other amazing YouTubers. And so I am so excited to try this. This again is the Dippity-do Girls with Curls gel, light hoe gel. So I'm gonna apply it the way I saw Mel apply it. So she just took some in her hands and she just turned to the side and just kind of scrunched it in like that. And we're gonna do the same thing up here. And we put a little bit more on for the back. Got the gel in, we've got our curl cream in. We're gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes just to let this set, and then I'll be back to break the cast, fluff it out, and we'll take a look at the final results. See you in a little bit. Okay guys, I'm back and my hair is pretty much dry. I would say about 90% dry. So what I'm gonna do is dump my head over. So there you have it, the finished result. My curls are very defined. I mean, super defined. I'm excited to see how long this lasts without me having to apply any product to it, because it's very, very moisturized, and yet I still have some volume. So definitely like the products, would recommend. Check out my description box for where you can purchase them. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, share if you care, and we'll see you in the next video.